Feel the future.
I was really good, people. Welcome back. Axtuo is back, and I got this 2025. What is it? Chevy Silverado 1500 ZR2. All right. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change in this baby. All right. So come on, let's get it. Yeah. Uh, this is how you open the hood. Just pull that one. This baby has 6,000 miles. The lever is gonna be right here. You don't need to hold it. You have two pistons. Let me break it down for you. If you can see this. Uh, 1 second. Have to figure out how to put this thing here. Engine oil cap. This one's gonna tell you what type of oil it takes. 0W20 in this case. We get to that. Here. Battery. Fuse box. Coolant tank. Air filter. Pretty much. This yellow thing is the oil dipstick. This one right here. That's pretty much it. Kind of reminds me the Ram 1500. That one right there is the brake reservoir fluid. If you come through down here, here it is. The oil filter, oil drain plug. Pretty much. The oil filter. There he goes, leaking. I'm gonna grab a rag. No, I'm gonna let it drain a little bit more. I don't even know if woo, that's just the beginning. I'm gonna clean it here. It sits. I'm gonna let it drain. I'm gonna remove that oil drain plug. All right. 15mm for that oil drain plug. Check out this one. Pretty much. So the oil filter. I'm gonna grab some of this oil, put it here in this gasket. We already cleaned the where the oil filter sits. Putting this in. We drain most of the oil. We tie this by hand. Grab that oil drain plug, put it back, tie it by hand. I mean, tie by hand the oil filter. The oil drain plug, snag it. There you go, Gucci. Clean after yourself. You're good to go. All right. Now let's pour that new oil. Yeah. Put a funnel there. Let's get that oil. This baby is gonna take 8 quarts, 0W20. Alright. 8 quarts, 0W20. Even the cap says 0W20. I put it back. And let's reset the oil life in this baby, alright? Come on, let's get it. That's pretty much it with this baby. Alright. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this baby, alright? You can do it while the truck is running. Okay. Step on the brake pedal. Push the start button. You see how you see the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? That's a 2025 Chevy. Did I say Silverado 1500? Okay, you're gonna play with this. All you're gonna do is scroll down with this until you see that. Then click the scroll button. Click it. It's gonna ask you scroll to the right to the yes. Click the scroll button. There you go. 100% life. Alright, that's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. Alright, anything you want to say, put in the comment box. You know what time it is. It's me, Axtuo. Kaboom. I like you, boy. Audi. Yeah.